This is an awesome day. You could just sense the excitement and warmth with the conversations. This also seems very fitting in an organization which is home to thousands of very avid users of high speed, students and staff alike. President of a post-secondary institution, I'm acutely aware of the critical importance of high-speed access to our work, everything from digital technology in the classroom to online learning to applied research. As members and partners in the Quinte Loyalist community, we also understand how critical this is to prosperity of business in our region and overall quality of life. Equality of access to affordable high-speed access is not optional these days in order to have a successful, thriving economy. Congratulations to all the partners and sincere thanks from all of us in this region who will benefit from the outcomes of this exceptional project.
Today's launch, as has been mentioned, means that over 70,000 households and businesses now have access to wireless high-speed internet in an area of some 7,000 square kilometers. And everybody here today, sitting or standing, recognize that in rural communities we have not and still in some cases do not enjoy the same level of internet access as those that have it in the cities. And quite frankly, that had to change. Without the drive coming forward from the Warden's Caucus of Eastern Ontario, this would not have happened. So we are so proud and pleased with what you have done.
About 7 years ago, the Eastern Ontario Warden's Caucus recognized that for Eastern Ontario to prosper, our residents and businesses needed to connect with higher speeds and capacities for the internet. We took that idea, along with a well thought out plan, to the federal and to the provincial governments to garner their support, and I'm so pleased that both saw the strong merits in this project.
We often hear about the economic benefits of broadband technology in somewhat abstract terms, so I'd like to show you a concrete example of those benefits in action. Our company is located in the Prince Edward County Innovation Center. This is a startup incubator located on the beautiful waterfront of Picton Bay. And it's home to a growing number of young companies which have a technology focus, a diverse group of companies which we all have in common the absolute need for efficient broadband access to do our work.
EORN represents a major building block for Eastern Ontario. Importantly, I believe it will help unleash the economic potential that exists in our communities. With given the right tools, our community can thrive. Our success comes from the cooperation and investment made by all three levels of government. The federal government, Darrell, have been overwhelming with their help. The province, the municipal people that we work with have been. And it's just our private sector. It's been, I hope, an example how working together we can prosper to do well.
And when we look at the actual scope of Quinte Loyalist, I'm going to help paint a picture of this for you with maps. 62 fixed wireless towers. And one of the most populous, largest zones in the EORN network, with 76,000 households, not people, households that need internet, the same internet as people do develop an appetite for it in urban centers. And with that, it's really important to us. So we're very proud and we're very grateful to be a part of such an exciting initiative. And this is not just high-speed internet for today, this is high-speed internet for tomorrow as well. And if you think about who the catalyst and the leader was of bringing more speed than what is even considered standard to the remote, the rural, the hard-to-reach customers, then that's really what the Eastern Ontario Regional Network has accomplished. It's bigger, faster, less expensive, sooner than it would have happened without this partnership. So for that, I'm grateful, I'm proud, and wonderful to stop and celebrate. So thank you very much.